Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. I'm Vanessa with Scrappin' It Up, and today I want to do an album share with you guys. And it features the Here and There collection from Simple Stories. Oh, such a beautiful collection. Of course, what paper isn't beautiful from Simple Stories? I mean, most of my projects are with Simple Stories, and I love them. All right, so and I do have a tutorial that you can purchase. I'll put the link down below if you would like to learn how to make this. All right, this album measures 10.5 by about 9 and a quarter. Yep, 10.5 by 9 and a quarter. And it does have a 2-inch spine. So there's the front. I just collaged it up. And there's the back. All right, it opens up like this. And then this opens. And I used Kraft and black paper to construct it. So then you have a little tuck spot here. And then you have a pocket here. Then that flips. And you have a belly band here. And then you have a nice pocket here for a little booklet. And then a little tuck spot here for some tags from the collection. And then again, here you have another belly band. And then a little tuck spot for your tags. And then it opens up for that. And just slides right back underneath the belly band. And then you have, again, a little tuck spot. And then a photo mat. And then you open it up to that. You have a little tuck spot here. Okay. So then that just all closes up. And then here I just put a couple of pieces, strips of paper, because I don't know, I put my paper upside down. I shouldn't tell you, but I did. I put my paper upside down, and I'm like, oh my gosh, how am I going to hide that? So then I come up with putting the strips in a sticker. I thought, well, that attracts your eyes. You're not going to be paying attention that the paper is actually upside down. Life of a crafter, right? It was too late. So here you have a pocket. I'm always doing silly stuff like that, always. Then you have a little pocket up here, a couple of photo mats. And this does feature on my floating folio hinge. So then you have that opens up. Nice place for photographs. And you could add your journaling. And then this flips open. Actually, this comes out, and it's a booklet. And I've done it a booklet, so it holds all this nice and tidy. Okay. So then you have this and this, and then you have a belly band underneath here. And look how flat it's laying. I love it. Then this flips. Then you have a little tuck spot here for some things. Okay. And then you have these flip outs. And then you have a nice pocket here for a photo mat. Beautiful. I love the colors of this. So then this flips. Then you have a little tuck spot here. You can put your photograph here. And then that opens up. And these open up. Really a nice album to put, if you took a trip and you took lots of pictures, it'd be a wonderful album to display for all your travels. And then this opens up. This sticks back down the pocket. Then this flips. And I could have put strips here. I chose not to. I like the craft showing. It kind of helps with the album. I really thought if I put strips of paper here, I think that was going to complicate it just a little bit. So I chose, to keep the craft showing. Then you have this. And this is the very back of the album. So this flips open and it's a little booklet. And it just slides back in here. And again, just to keep all this nice and tidy. And these flip open, and then you have a belly band here as well for photo mat. And then I just left this blank so you could, put your travel photos. I didn't want to put a pocket on the back. But that is the album. And this is my travel folio. It's a folio because there's nothing in the spine of the album. A folio is where it's on the sides. If it's a mini album, then you got it in the spine. And that's the difference between a folio and a mini album. So this is a folio. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of this album. I hope you'll want to make it. It's a very nice album. Very nice album. Look at that. You got plenty of room for photos and journaling about your adventures. In fact, I'm really thinking about putting we ride our razors and we have four-wheelers. And I'm really thinking about putting my photographs in here. I think that'd be lovely. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Like I said, I will put the tutorial that you can purchase down below. If you have any comments or anything, just put them down below. I'll get back to you on them. So thanks for hanging out. So as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.